What's wrong, Miss Owl? Can't find any mice in all this snow? Meh. You mean being able to spot prey from above isn't advantageous in this situation? Oh, how awful. Meh. Well, don't you worry about lil old me. I certainly won't starve just because a little snow got in my way. Oops, the coast is clear. I don't see any cats around. Woo, what a relief. Yeah, if there were any, we'd be in trouble. It's hard to find hiding places for you, after all. I think I'd be okay. Oh, no need to be brave. It's not your fault you're so big for a mouse. Well, let's say there was a cat. What would you do? Why, I'd protect you, of course. It's my duty as your big sister. In that case, I should probably tell you. There's one right behind you. Ah, what? Look, Aki, I bought you a new perch. What? No, the perch. Not the box. Goddamn it, I spent $80 on this thing. Don't do this to me. Listen, would you rather surveil your kingdom from this lofty pinnacle of comfort? Open, deluxe, elegant. Or slum it in this corrugated hobo prison? Claustrophobic. You will be a hobo. Hey, can I get some of that? Sure. Delicious. More please? More? Look, if you're going to insist on eating all my corn one kernel at a time, you should just get your own. Here's a tiny, hamster-sized corn for you to eat, with its own tiny corn kernels. Now you can eat it like a normal person. Welcome, pups, to my magical chocolate lab. It is here that I conceive my most delectable candy creations. But isn't chocolate bad for dogs? Yes. Then why? No questions during the tour, please. Everything in this room is edible, from the candy grass to the powdered sugar snow. Just don't fall into the chocolate river. You may not know this, but chocolate is very bad for dogs. I just said that. Mr. Chanka? The fat kid already jumped in. Like, as soon as we came in here. What? Seriously? Arg. No, no, no. No pouncing. Listen here, punk. Cats are for petting, pampering, and praising. Not getting pounced on. Now, perceive this person. She'll perform the perfect pettings a precious princess like me prefers. Well, proceed, pooch. I permit your paw to pet me, but if you persist in pouncing, pray that I pardon you. Fish tax. Hey. Fish tax. Knock it off. Fish tax. Can't I have even one fish that you don't steal from me? Sorry, them's the cat rules. All fish fall under my jurisdiction. Ho ho, we'll see about that. Claw. This place looks familiar. Gracious, is this? Yes. The home of the youngest child I ever gave coal to. He was so naughty that he made the naughty list when he was only an infant. Looks like that hasn't changed. He's set to receive coal again this year. Pity. Oh, well. At least his parents left a plate of cookies out for me. How thoughtful. Or, what is this? Coal? The milk is cold too? This isn't right. I have to get out of. What the? Well. I notice there aren't any presents under my tree. Perhaps you'd like to remedy that, Mr. Claus. Could you please do that somewhere else? What? That, you don't see me stripping down in the living room and tidying up my privates, do you? Oh, we are really gonna go there? What about when I'm all curled up in the bathtub taking a nap? Whenever it's time for you to shower, you kick me out. But now that it's my turn for a bath, I'm still the one who has to leave. Yes, because the bathtub is for bathing. No, I'm sick of these double standards. In fact, my bath is going to become uncomfortably aggressive until you leave and give me some privacy. Okay, fine. I'm leaving already. Are you done yet? I'm missing my show. Ladies, notice anything different? What the cluck are those? These, ma'am, are brand spanking new Jordans. Sleek and powerful, with a breathable design. You even know how fast I can run in these babies? So fast, chickie. Jordan. So, you know, if fitness is something you're attracted to in a mate, it's looking pretty likely I'll survive to produce offspring, Bobajirl. Bucag. Lunchtime, Maxwell. Excuse me? Is this some sort of sick joke? Well, joke's on you. I'll eat my meal, even if I have to eat through these bars first. You won't keep me prisoner for long. Faha. I have utter faith in you. Did our owner ship us off to Antarctica while we slept or something? It must be 20 below. And she actually expects us to go out in that frigid hellscape? We've got coats. It might not be that bad. Okay, I was wrong. It's bad. 10 seconds out there, and already my ass cheeks feel like twin popsicles. A right couple o' wusses. Can no handle a wee bit of snow? And you can. I bet you'd freeze your legs off if you had any to freeze. I might have wheel legs, but I've got more backbone than either o' ye, clearly. Alright, then, be my guest. What? Not so confident anymore, now that you've looked death in the face? Am going. RM. I hear the farmer is getting a new bull today. Good. I just hope he's big this time. Yes, Miriam. Because that's what's important. Forget about his personality. Girl, I'm not here to form lasting relationships. I'm here for a good time. I want him beefy, I want him bulky, and most importantly, I want him good and horn. Okay, Miriam. Why is everyone so obsessed with big horns, anyway, geez? I don't know, Jess, but society demands it. And who am I to question what the masses dictate is attractive? I want horns bigger than his head. Okay, Miriam. I want them so big that he has balance problems. Mum. I want him to have to struggle to get through doorways. That's just unrealistic. Well, dear, I hope you get everything you're looking for and more, but I seriously would not bank on it. Oh, Jess, look. He's here. Holy cow. Oh, bull.